Alrighty. Good job. Because I have to cover it. Now, where's the other one? There is another image in here. Yeah, I've lost it. But yeah, so I'm basically making a basic power hammer. Basic power hammer design. That I've been thinking about doing for a little while, but these are just the quick sketches of how to put it all together and work it all out. This is going to be the closest one to it, because I've already got the angle. I've got most of the parts to do all this one. And I'll show you how that in a sec. Alrighty, this is going to be my hammer base. Haven't welded it down yet, but give you guys an idea. This is the base. This one's going to be the hammer. I've got two parts here. I should say two parts here. This one will be mounted to the arm, what strikes down onto the this bit here is going to have the anvil, so it's mounted to that. Currently just got drilled there. I'm going to weld that on later today. But yeah, there's my hammer. There's my anvil. I'll take that off. But yeah, this one's also got bolted through. I'm going to weld these up as well. Today's going to be a welding day today. While I was here earlier, that's going to be the top arm jig set up to hold onto the spring. But when it's flip it, this here is going to be for the actual pipe to the bar to go through, or the axle to go through. What goes through here for the pivoting point, and then these are going to be on the sides of the actual upright. Got them drilled, and they're going to have a bearing set up on top. Pipe goes through and it will pivot. These will be literally welded to the upright posts that are currently at the back. So I'll share. Alrighty, here we are with just the rough. Right, here's a bit of an update of where I'm at. I've got this basically welded up, pretty roughly welded. Put the spring on there to show roughly how it's going to look. This will be mounted up with these, so a little bit higher, plus that rocker in the middle that I'm going to have. I've also got a big heavy plate to go on the bottom. So yeah, I'll show you when I get to the next bit.